Hey guys, today we're going to rely on how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android or WhatsApp chat backup install. What we have to do is to head on over to our WhatsApp application. From there, we're going to tap on the clear lines and then tap on settings. From there, we are going to tap on chats. We're going to tap on chat backup. From there, we are going to tap on or toggle this on, which is include videos. We're going to choose the frequency either between markedly never or only when I tap. It's here I decide to choose on only when I tap. From there, I'm going to tap on backup and it's going to be backing up my messages. We're going to wait for the backup to finish, and from there we are going to uninstall our WhatsApp application, and from there we're going to head on over to our Play Store and reinstall it. From there, once you have reinstalled it, you're going to fill your information, and from there it will ask you whether you should back up your WhatsApp application. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.